Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to block YouTube TV channels. So, in order to block YouTube TV channels, you will have to first of all navigate to any browser on your PC, go to the search bar, type in YouTube TV, then click on tv.youtube.com's link. Now, you'll be on this page, you'll have to click on the sign in button and log into your account. After logging into your account, you will see this page. So on your home page, you'll have to click on your profile icon at the top right side of the screen and click on settings. After you click on settings, it will take you over to this page. On this page, you'll have to click on the live guide option. Now, on this page, you'll have to just navigate to the channel that you want to block. It is not exactly blocking, but hiding it from your view. So, in order to hide any channel from your view, you'll have to simply click on the eye icon, that is this small icon after any one of these channels. Now, when you click on the eye icon, it will show an option to unhide. That means the channel has been hidden. Now, this channel will not be viewed in my custom view. I can easily navigate back to my live section. Now, that channel will not be available in my live page. So you can easily customize your YouTube channel lineup to hide channels you don't want to see by using this method. So while YouTube TV doesn't have a direct block feature, you can hide unwanted channels, restrict mature content, and manage your preferences effectively. Follow these steps for a cleaner, personalized YouTube TV experience. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.